So, good evening, California, Hesperia, right here with my friends JV6, J Series Freaks, saying hello to all the subscribers to my channel. If you like the video, put your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, exclusively only J Series modifications, engine swaps, and everything you need to know about how to modify your engine or how to modify your car. We got my wife right here in the background talking to my sister-in-law. That's fine. I don't want to show you my wife because she's only for me. I don't put her in the videos because I don't want to ask you who's that beautiful girl, who's that hot woman. All right. Let's talk about the brackets. Right here, we got these brackets. They are direct play from this brand Planted. They fit Accord 2003, 2007, and Acura TL 2004, 2008. This company make the brackets direct fit, and you just have to match whatever seats you buy with the holes of the bracket. Recaro, Sparko, NRG, Brown, I think Pride is another company. In my choice, in my what I choose really, I choose Replicas Recaro. Why? Because really Recaro is extremely expensive. I don't want to spend a lot. And the best thing, these seats weigh 25 pounds with the bracket right there. Weights around 29 to 30 pounds. Let me explain you one thing. Our seats, if you have electric seat leather, like in my case, my seat weight around 70 pounds. If you put both seats like I'm doing right now, you're gonna reduce about 90 to 85 pounds. That's a lot. All right. We got in this seat already the bracket installed. You see? Right there. Direct fit with the eBay seats. Really, I don't care. I'm not going to spend a lot in seats because my car is a daily driving. If you told me my car is like an auto show car or something like that, yeah, I'll buy the Recaro or Sparko just because right here it says Recaro. For me, that's all the same BS. Yes, this one's going in my car, Accord 2005, and I want to tell you exactly what you need because they only came with the sliders. Okay. Let me open this right here real quick. Let me try to open it holding the cell phone. Yeah, guys, I know I need a camera. Yeah, I promise I'm gonna buy one, but for now we got the cell phone. And yeah. Okay, right here we got the sliders. A little bit of hardware only for the seats. Only for the seats. But I got right here exactly what do you need. What do you need for the hardware? Okay, you're gonna need a 13 bolt. If we look in the exactly description is an M8. This one right here. M8 1.25 by 16 millimeter. It had to be this one. If you buy a longer one, the slider is gonna block the rail and it's not gonna slide. It's gonna be blocked and it's not gonna work. Like right here, I already got it installed. See right here, direct fit, and they slide perfect. Yes, this one's already finished. You see? I like them. They look pretty good. The bracket came with the seatbelt hole. Right here, you're going to put your seatbelt. Or you can buy racing seatbelt. I'm planning that in the future. Yeah, but basically that's all you need. I spent like around $500 with taxes and everything. I compare other prices and believe me, people, this is the cheapest seats you can get, and they look really good. I'm gonna finish the installation and let's see how they look. I think they're gonna look good because my seats are really rip-off. It looks like a lion was inside of the car. Okay, you're gonna need bolts, washers, bolt lock, nuts lock, whatever you call it, nuts lock, and nuts. All the same, M8 1.25 by 16 millimeter. It's a 13 bolt, 13 wrench, 13 bolt, and that's it. You're gonna need 8 of all. 8 of all, okay? How do you install the Allen screws? Simple. You put the Allen right here and the spacer. Okay? Like this. All right? But, you have to put the bolt first, and then this spacer is gonna be here on the metal, and this part going to down is gonna be to the seat side. All right? This part, a flat part, this is the side of the bracket. Okay, you have to put it right here, like this. You see, flat. If you put it like this, we got the slider hook, and it's not gonna fit the bracket. It had to be like this. Okay. The eBay seats, they fit perfectly in the planted brackets. All right. I think it's an excellent upgrade to reduce the weight, and I think they're gonna look really, really good. All right. Okay, man, that's it for now. I'm going to install these seats, and in the next video, I'm gonna show you how they look. For me, they look really good. They don't look like the best made, but they look really good. I don't complain. The most important thing, they fit to the brackets without any modification. All right? Thank you for watching JV6 series, J series. And remember, Jesus is the king of our life. Without him, we can do nothing. And if you put your trust in him, your life is gonna be extremely happy. If you are unhappy, try Jesus, right? He is the King of Kings. He is the only one who allows us to have everything we have, even if it's not God's things. Thank you for watching. God bless everybody. Another video right here for a core man. All the details you need to install racing seats on Accord 2005. These brackets fit to Acura TL 2004, 2008 too. Saying bye-bye and God bless everybody. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Bye-bye.